Welcome to Unit 9. This unit is all about city life. I live in Leeds, a big city in the north of England. It's a beautiful place and I love living there because the people are really friendly. Where do you live? What's it like there?
I live in Rimini, in Italy, and it's beautiful in summer.
I live in Córdoba, which is a small city in the south of Spain.
I live in Hamburg, which is in the north of Germany, and it's very beautiful.
In this unit, you will learn how to describe cities and compare them to each other. Tokyo is bigger than Madrid. Moscow is colder than Paris. You'll also find out about one of the most amazing sights in the world, Central Park in New York. It's America's biggest and oldest city park. What do you think it's like to live at the top of a skyscraper? I'm scared of heights, so I wouldn't like it at all. In reading and speaking, you'll find out what life in the clouds is like and what some of the everyday problems are. Everyday English practices directions and the prepositions that describe how to get from one place to another, like down, past, along. Missed a class? You can go online to look at the material again and do the online activities. Are you ready? Let's get started.